Buenos días amigos, this is Luis from Lima, Peru. Today we are having a second unboxing. Let's get started. And our next product is easy and clear. It says diode. Maybe two diodes, I don't know. Let's see which one. I think it's the one in I think 64, 54, I don't remember. It's an SMD, and there are two kinds. Now it seems to be Zener regulators for 5.1 volts and 5.6. 100 of them. I need it for my last product, which is the sensor, the smoke sensor by Wi-Fi. But even when I was soldering them and making a lot of them, I ran out of Zener diodes. So I asked for them, 100 of them for each one. Okay, next product. And this product is an expansion board module. Yeah, not specific at all. Let's see what we have in here. Seems to be SMD, no. It looks a small one. It says X13426. I will write a description on post edition to know what it is. It seems to be an A2S mono amplifier. Okay, it's an amplifier, audio amplifier. Okay, next product. And this is the page for the audio amplifier. It's a cheap one, simple one, no information from the AliExpress page, but you can have information over here. It's a communication, the data is coming from the protocol, and it's connected to a speaker. The maximum power, let me see, it's about it's about 2.3 watts, I don't remember. It's a 3.2 watts output power. Simple and practical. Okay, and the next product is a integrated circuit. Which one? They never say anything about the product. Let's see what is inside. Ooh. Be careful with it. The product at the end. One product? Yes, only one product. It says APL 1117 UCTRG. Yes, I don't remember what is it for. But it seems to be a voltage regulator. I will put the code in here. Okay, next product. And here we have the LDO, and it's the data sheet. It's for 1 ampere, and it comes in many voltages. It's a simple to use LDO. That's it. And our next product is an expansion board module again. Let's see what is inside and what I need for. Oh, it's a lot of products. Let me see what is this. I think I was expecting for them. It seems to be an ISP8266 expansion board. You can see here, you can put your ESP in here and have jumpers over there with, I don't know which condensers we have in there, but it's needed for the ESP to work properly. All of them are for ESP8266. Okay, next product. And here we have the adapter plate with the room for the capacitors, and also in the back you can have maybe a regulator, an LDO. So it's very useful, these ones. That's it. And this next product, it says Relay switch, I don't know. Expansion, I don't know. I can read it. Let's see what is inside. Many products again. Well, this one I know. It's 18650 18650 battery shield, which you can charge your batteries, and this can charge your circuit with 3.3 volts and 5 volts. Besides that, I have this moisture sensor, which is kind of disposable. It lasts, I hear it lasts only 1 month with power energized. So I want to make it last longer by turning this off. Okay, next product. And this is the lithium battery module. As you can see, nice, but I noticed this. Sorry, you can use micro USB or Type-C USB. That's modern. And besides that, we have the moisture sensor, which have, I think, the two type of outputs: the digital output and the analog voltage of the reference from the moisture, which is a voltage divider. That's it. And this next product says pliers. I don't remember which one, the cheap ones or the good ones. Let's see what's inside the box after the music. Hey, post-production, stop the music. Let's continue, okay? Okay, let's see what is happening here. Oh, it's a plier. It's a plier, but I don't know what it's called. We call them pelador in Spanish. Oh, nice. My last one is really old. It's about the same. It's also not original, but this is good. It's soft. We have this one, but I mainly use it for peel standard cables, so it's good enough for me. Maybe for a gift, maybe. Okay, next product. '18.1. This is integrated circuits, really specific ones. I don't know why they send them without the code. Something about customs? If anyone knows, please let me know. Let me see which one is it. Looks like regulators. Let's see with a magnifier. And it says LD1117B33. It's a 3.3 volts regulator. I don't remember which ones, but it's a regulator really used. I hope it's a 1 ampere capacity. Oh yes, I hope so, or maybe more. You will have the link and with the code if you want to buy them. Okay, next product. And this is the technical description for the LD1117. On the web page, we don't have not too much information, but here we have information which says output current up to 800 milliampere. It's low current, but it's LDO. Consider LDO. Okay, and the next product is integrated circuits. Let's see what is this integrated circuit. Oh, many. Oh, more. Oh yes, more. Oh, sniff. It's empty. Okay, what we have in here? It seems to be a 10 microfarads, 16 volts, 47 microfarads. Oh, 47 microfarads. It's in a small size, yes. And it's what it says, 0.19, 0.14, 0.1 microfarads, and 22 microfarads, 10 volts. And it also came with optocouplers. Yes, let me see which one is this. I don't remember why I asked for them, but let's read the code. And the code said DC817C. Oh my god, these are the ones I don't remember why I asked for. But seems to be optocouplers. On the link you will know more about them. Okay, next product. And here we have the information for this optocoupler. The main purpose of usage of this is when you have plenty of the couplers and you need to reduce the space. It's a high density one, even though you need to put them together. And here you have the mode of use, configuration, and the data for this optocoupler. It's a simple one, not too complicated. It's a photocoupler. That's it. And the next product says capacitors. SMD capacitors, I suppose. Okay, please, Caesar, help me with this. Okay, we are gone. And we have an assortment of many capacitors. Yes, but it's through-hole capacitors. I don't remember why I asked them. Maybe it's because from time to time I need some through-hole capacitors, and I don't have many of them. So I asked for a bag of an assortment of them, and I will. No, I won't catalog them until I need them. So, next product. And this is the ceramic capacitors assortment. You have many of them, many values, and the values are, if you like it, here are the values from 2 picofarads to 10 nanofarads. 10 pieces of each value. And advertisement, and here we have the cost is really cheap, so that's the reason I buy it. I think I need them to put in on the sides of the crystal, so I don't remember which crystal I use, so I don't know which capacitor I need, so I asked for them and probably I will use them. That's it. Next product, it says integrated circuits 10 times. Watch. Which one, please? Let me know. Yes. 10 times. It's about 100 times. Yes. Maybe. Well, maybe 50. I don't know. Ooh. This is one alone over here. I assume which one is it, but let me see with the magnifier. It is the AMS 1117, and this is the 3.3 volts size or model. Okay, next product.